Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Site Visits and Inspections. Hopefully all of my friends will be okay inshallah. Friends, today I came here with the very important topic for all of you regarding the removal of formwork shuttering. Minimum de-shuttering period on formwork for columns, beams and slab according to IS 456 2000. This is 2000, not 200. Vertical, you can see the formwork usually used in the bottom of slab, beams and sides. And here you can see I wrote this for your information, and I sketched some examples here for the slab, beams, and I will just brief here, and after this briefing I will go to the site and I will show you what is the Sofit and how they fix all these things according to my instructions. Here you can see vertical formwork of columns, beam and slab. I think as all of you aware about this, what is the vertical formwork. Here I draw one column. This is the column, mean the sides of column vertical formwork sides. It will the shuttering and slab also, mean this is suppose that slab, here they fix the shuttering. These are the vertical formwork. The vertical formwork of column, beams and slab will be removed after 16 to 24 hours. Okay, and Sofit formwork of slab. What is the Sofit? Means bottom of the slab formwork, means Sofit formwork. This is called Sofit. You can see here Sofit formwork of slab we can remove after 3 days, but props, means jacks, to be refixed immediately after removal of formwork. Means when they will remove this shuttering, immediately they will fix the props, means jacks. Means after the jacks distance should be 80 cm or 1 meter more than, or more than 80 cm to 1 meter, and 3 days. And the Sofit formwork of beam, mean the bottom formwork of the beam. Here you can see these are column, and suppose that this is beam. Here they fix the shuttering for the bottom of beam. This is called Sofit of beam. Bottom beam, you can say it, will be removed after see here, after 7 days. I wrote here 3 days, but this is wrong. Here should be the 7 days. The Sofit formwork of beams should be 7 days, but props to be fixed immediately after removal of formwork, means jacks they will fix. And after this, mean removal of formwork, they will fix these props. And when they will remove these props and jacks, there is 2 conditions. Props left under slab can be removed if spanning up to, if the span, means span for the slab, if span up to 4.5 meter, then the jacks will be removed after 7 days. Here you can see I make one sketch. Here you can see clear span, mean these are, suppose that these are 2 columns, this is and this is. You can see at clear span is 4.5. props, jacks will be removed after 7 days. Okay, and the other condition, second, if spanning over to 4.5 meter, if the distance between 2 columns is more than 4.5 meter, mean it is 5 meter, 6 meter, props, jacks will be removed after 14 days. Okay, this is for the slab. Now I will just tell you about the Sofit props to be refixed immediately after removal of formwork. Mean below the beam we refix the jacks, and when they will remove when we will remove these jacks. Just a minute, I will just show you. Yes, on the second page props left props left under slab can be removed if span up to 6 meter. The jacks and props will be removed after 14 days. This I am talking for the beams. If span up to 6 meter, this will be removed after 21 days. Means this I will show you. Suppose that these are two columns and this is beam. If this distance is 6 meter, props will be removed after 14 days. After 14 days, if this distance is more than 6 meter or 6.5 meter, props will be removed after 21 days. Friends, these are the information regarding the removal of formwork below the slab beams and sides of column beams and slabs also. Now I will go to the site because I came here today and I was thinking I will just shortly brief all of you regarding the shuttering, and your concept will be clear when I will go to the site and I will show you the props and Sofit formwork of slab. Okay, just wait, I am going to the site. Thank you. Hi friends, I came on site. Here you can see, first of all I will show you the slab because number wise I will just short brief because the video is going more long. Here you can see bottom of slab. You can see this is the Sofit of slab, and the span is less than 4.5 meter, and that's why they remove the Sofit formwork after 3 days, and they fix immediately props. These are the props. You can see here, these jacks, the name is props and jacks, both are same. They fixed below the Sofit of this slab, and because this slab is the length of this slab is 4.5 meter, that's why they will remove these jacks after 7 days, according to my briefing which I briefed before all of you. And same here is, you can see the beam, this column to this column, you can see. See here, you can see this is the beam. The bottom formwork is there, and they can remove the bottom formwork, and after they can fix these props, but they didn't remove for the safety. And but after 7 days they can remove this bottom formwork, and immediately they will fix these props jacks. And because you can see here this beam span is more than 6 meter, that's why they will remove this these jacks, these props, after 21 days with our approval. Okay, see, in this area the span is less than 6 meter, this is approximately, I think, 4 meter. That's why they remove the shuttering in the bottom and immediately fix the props. You can see here, this is prop, this is also prop, and here you can see this is the Sofit of slab. Here you will clearly understand. See, this is Sofit, bottom of the slab is called Sofit of slab. This is the technical name. They removed the shuttering after 3 days. Prior to remove the shuttering, they informed me, and I told them, yes, you can remove after 3 days, and immediately fix the props. You can see here, these are the props. See, these are the props. Here you can see the span is more than 4.5 meter. The props will be removed after 14 days according to my advice and instruction, which I already briefed you in the notes. In the beginning of video you can get very well. Here you can see also the beam span is more than 6 meter. That's why they will remove the props after 21 days. Same here. And you noticed maybe where there the span is less than 6 meter, they remove the bottom shuttering also and fix the props. I mean these jacks, this vertical member for the supporting, this is jack. I hope. And this is Villa 1, because the concrete has been done, that's why they remove the shutterings. The side form works, you can see the beam side form works, and column because this can be removed after 16 to 24 hours. This side form works for the beam and columns. And for the Villa 1 they are making the shuttering, fixing the shutterings, and you can see side form works also, you can see, and the props also. See the Sofit form work of the slab, because I told you in the video, in my previous video, both villas are same, mean mirror. This is the Sofit form work of slab, means prior to concrete, if we are providing any bottom form work for the slab or beam, that is called Sofit form work. This is the beam Sofit, you can see it here. Even this is the Sofit of beam, you can see here. Mean the bottom form work for any cast in situ member, means which we are doing on the site, that is called Sofit form work. And side form work you can see in the sides. Okay brothers, I think this video is very useful for all of you. And here you can see the props distance, one prop to other prop is 80 cm. This is acceptable. Okay, thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.